At Gates Ford, we want to make sure our customers are safe on the road. As your vehicle enters a new season, it faces new challenges, and that's why we offer a winter health check. Our Ford-trained specialist technicians will carry out a 30-point video health check to ensure your vehicle is ready for the winter months ahead. This will include checking your tyres meet satisfactory standards in preparation for icy roads, monitoring your antifreeze to ensure the correct strength to get your vehicle's engine through the cold periods, a thorough inspection of your battery to ensure you will not be let down in the middle of a journey, an in-depth look at your braking system, which is more important than ever in the winter months. The entire health check will be captured on video for you as a customer to view. You will see what your technician sees. There are no corners cut at Gates Ford. If anything is identified during the health check that needs attention, we will offer a competitive price to ensure the work is carried out as quickly and efficiently as possible. To book your winter health check, contact your local Gates Ford dealership today.